Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today I'm going to show you the field stripping of this Smith Wesson SD9 VE. Before we field strip any firearm, we want to double check, make sure that firearm is unloaded. So we're going to go ahead, take the magazine out, which is empty, set it to the side, and we're going to go ahead and check the chamber. Chamber's clear, magazine's out, we are good to proceed. With this, we want to go ahead and we want to hit the slide release or slide catch. We want to hit that down, send the slide home. Now we're going to go ahead and grab along the back side of the firearm, all right, just like this, and we're going to pull the slide back just a little bit, just like on the Glocks. We'll pull it back just a little bit. This takedown lever, all right, we're going to pull it down. It's the same thing on both sides. So I'm going to take my thumb on this side, my middle finger on the other. I'm going to pull that piece down and release forward, and then we got to pull the trigger, and the slide will come off. From here, we are done with the frame. We don't need to take any more parts off the frame for the field stripping, so we're going to set that to the side. Now for the slide assembly, right, we have the slide, it's upside down now. We're going to take the spring and spring guide, and we're going to compress it just a little bit. We're going to pull it up and out. We're going to set that to the side. The barrel, we're going to take our finger and push that up and out, set that to the side, and then we have our slide. So from here, we have our slide, our barrel, our spring and spring guide, and our frame. From here, you can do any type of maintenance or cleaning you might need to do to the firearm, and from once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and reassemble. Right? So we're going to take the slide, and again, everything's going to be the same thing, but in reverse. So we're going to drop the barrel in, muzzle first, down in, and it's going to set back in its place. The barrel on this is going to stick out a little millimeter or two. That's how you know that you have it in the right spot. Now with the spring and spring guide, there's a flat end and there's a more smaller, more pointed end, I guess you would say. You're going to put the more pointed, smaller end towards the muzzle end, and that's going to insert first. So we're going to insert that in. We're going to compress it down just a little bit. It's going to get caught in the bottom of these lugs on the barrel, all right? We're going to take that and we're going to flip that back up, all right? We got to have our frame now, and we're going to insert these rails. We're going to insert these rails into the slots here on the bottom rear end of the slide. We're going to insert that in. We're going to keep it matched up. We're going to pull it all the way to the rear, and we're going to let go. Now, because we just took it apart, we're going to go ahead and do a quick functions check. So we're going to go ahead, pull the slide back, let go, pull the trigger. Pull the slide back, let go, pull the trigger. All right, we're going to pull the slide back, let go, pull the trigger. Now we're going to hold the trigger to the rear. All right, we're going to pull, while holding that trigger to the rear, we're going to pull the slide to the rear, let go. We're going to let go of the trigger slowly. You're going to feel that click, and you're going to hear it as well. All right, the trigger is now reset, and we're going to pull the trigger again. All right, I'm going to go ahead and re-rack the slide, reinsert the magazine. We're going to rack the slide to the rear and lock it to the rear. And from there, you have now field stripped and reassembled your Smith Wesson SD9 VE. For more videos on field stripping firearms, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting these field stripping videos every Friday. Field Stripping Friday with PTPGun.com. Thank you all again, stay safe, and hit us in the comments below with what gun you want to see field strip next.